can you read question number 1?
It says 34 plus dash plus 79 equals 130.
Plus 79 equal to what?
It equals to 130.
Okay, so what it's simply telling you is to find, can you see my write-up? Can you see what I'm
Yeah,
writing? So what
yeah,
that question wants you to do is to find the number that will be in the box. Do you understand?
yes.
So how you can do that? Look at what you will do. 34 plus box plus 79 equal to 130. Do like this. Do for me 34 plus, are you listening?
Yes.
79. You plus the 2. 4 plus 9 will give you 13. You move 1 to 3. Add it to 3, 4. 4 plus 7 will give you 11. So can you see what I did? You now write, therefore, 130 subtract 113. We subtract it. Borrow 1 from 3, it will remain 2. Put it on 0. It will now become 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So your answer in the box is what? 17. Did you hear me? So
Yeah.
answer is equal to 17. That is the answer to number 1. I hope that is understood.
Yes. Let me write it down.
Okay, hurry up about that.